Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do laundry with you guys, how I do my laundry in Jamaica. So I'm inside my humble abode, which is my laundry room. I have my washing machine right here, my dryer over here. I don't think I'm going to, well, I can show you guys my mini dryer routine when I want to dry my clothes in a dryer, but it's not necessary. We live in Jamaica, we hang out everything outside and we do everything outside. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's start off with, okay, we're turning on the washing machine and I just checked. There's clothes in here. Oh, sometimes I leave stuff in my pockets. I know some people are like, oh, color coding makes no sense. I think it does make sense. Put blacks together, put light colored clothes together, put jeans together, put dark colored clothes together. I have a small load today. Okay, so here's the inside of the washing machine. I will check these. We'll check these because sometimes they will get dirty. So make sure you guys check yours. I think it's the filter, so you want to clean the filters to make sure that your clothes are getting the full wash potential. So here's how it looks. This needs to be cleaned out, and over here at the side as well needs to be cleaned. Now I'm just going to use my hands and just take this out. I'm going to come over here. We're going to do the same for this right here. That was a little bit on that side. Is open, and there's more actually in this one. So we have, so here and here. I'm just gonna take this out. And then here this is, and we're gonna do the same thing. This one has way more. I don't know why, that's so weird. So this is it. I have this old toothbrush here that we use for like cleaning our shoes and getting into hard to reach places. So what I'm gonna do is just wet this. This one clean, simple. This one is clean as well. Perfect. Great news. All right, so we're gonna put this back in. So this one goes here. The next one on this side. This is turned on and I'm gonna just put on fast mode. Fast mode. And I'm gonna put the water up. So I let the water catch first and then I'll put the clothes in because I want the soap and the water to mix in together. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of Tide. This is the new pack. I'm gonna go in with some detergent. I brought this with me from Canada, but this finished, so I replaced it with some Sud. Like this one smells really good, so I just scoop it out. So I'll show you guys that. This is how I'll probably use this much or a little bit more, and then we'll pour it in. So we'll pour this in. Just pour it all around. I don't feel like this is enough. Like it still looks like, let me see if you guys can see, it looks like a little bit. Sometimes I will go in with this too. This is the Downy Instant Wash. I use this sometimes, like I don't use it all the time. I really just don't care. This smells really, really good though. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some and I'm gonna show you. The water is filling up, but when it gets more higher, I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'm just gonna pour just a little bit of this. I don't need so much. I just love the smell of this. I can show you guys what I do with the dryer in the meantime. So here's the dryer. Turn it on. We have the lamp. Right? And then I'll go in with these just so the clothes don't stick together to provide some smell good stuff. Going with one or two, just depends. Like that. Close it and then put my settings. And that's it. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys the soap. So here how is the soap. I didn't have a lot of water because it's just a small load. Put the clothes in. I can't really color separate as much as I would love to because the load is so small. But always color code Your clothes, please. Here it is. Then we just close this. Now we're going outside, so let's go outside. All right, so here we are outside, and I'm just taking off my joggers because I don't know why I decided to wear that color. Anyways, we have it off, and I made sure I had tights under, and here we are. So I'm just sweeping away all the dust and the light items because when I have my rug, I don't want them underneath it because, of course, the rug's gonna get wet. Usually I do this on the grass, but the grass was occupied with all other things, so we just work with what we can. Okay, here's the rug. So I'm gonna put it on the ground right here. Here we are prepping the rug. I spilled hot chocolate all over on a portion of this rug. So I was just like, this is annoying. So here we are. So we're gonna get the water ready and then we're gonna start off by wetting the rug. So I'm going with the bucket. My mom told me I could use a hose, but I was like, no, I don't wanna take that long. I just wanna throw water, get this done and over with. By the way, this was so easy to do. Too easy. I'll do this again and again. I was just so lazy for so long. Anyways, no one make fun of my rug because I got this at Bashko and it was the best looking rug there. Here's my audience. Okay, I'm going to be using some powder soap. This is the brand if anyone's wondering. Here is the soap powder that I am putting all over the rug. I'm putting it all over. Make sure every corner is receiving some of the soap powder because I want all this brownness to come back off. And for my rug to return white. Anyways, back to my Bashko story, guys. So when we went to Bashko, you guys can watch my living room makeover video on my channel. This was the best looking rug at Bashko at the time. So if you think this was best looking, you can imagine how the other ones I'm looked. It's not my fave rug, but I'm just working with it, to be honest. And I'm gonna have to get a new one because I just feel like it kind of looks tacky. To be honest, guys, a lot of things is not really my style in Jamaica, but I have to work with it because I have to work with what's offered. If I don't go up to Canada to get my look of something, or I don't take a quick trip to America and get some stuff and bring it with me. So I'm going in with a scrub brush, and this is more on the softer side of scrub brushes, and I'm going in with my rug. You guys can see the clear difference. Do you see how dirty the other side was? Yeah, and that was the side where the hot chocolate spilled down. So as you can see, going in back with water, going back in with the scrub brush, I'm mixing it together. I'm having my soap concoction, and everything is working out dandy. I'm gonna love it. So we went back in with more water, and now we are taking off all the soap because that's how easy and quick it was. We're taking all the soap. I'm done with scrubbing this rug. It was so easy. Here we are. Okay, all done. And yeah, so now we're gonna put it up. So now we put it on one of the bushes here, and I'm gonna let it dry in the sun for a bit, and then I'm gonna bring it home. So now we're gonna work on my Wata boots, guys. My Wata boots were dirty. I did some rough work. And I was like, okay, I don't think I should have my boots like this. So I got some soap and water, and then we're gonna get into scrubbing these boots. So let me know if I shouldn't even scrub it because am I gonna get it wet again? And it's rain season currently in Jamaica, so I'm going to get it all muddy, not wet, sorry. So anyways, I'm just going in with the same spectacular way that we do it in Jamaica, going with the scrub brush, and then you're gonna go in with your soap and water, and you're just gonna scrub. Like, listen, water boots obviously are the easiest to clean because they're water resistant. So when you put the soap on it with the water, everything just comes off and it glides off, and we cannot complain. Okay, so this was so easy. I actually felt good doing this. Laundry is something I would say is number 3 on my list of things to do. I love cleaning. That's number 1. And number 2 is maybe doing like things outside in the yard. Oh no, organizing is number 2. No, organizing is number 1. Cleaning is 2, and number 3 can be doing laundry. And then I want to add cooking onto this list because I think as I get older, I want to start cooking more and doing all that stuff. But we'll see. That's how life is, right? So anyways, I'm cleaning off my little area right here because it had some dirt. And make sure I get the bottom, and then I'm going to spread the rest of the soap water on here. And I got some on the inside. I was like, okay, I didn't want that. Here we go. Aren't they nice and dark and beautiful? Anyways, go back in with the water at this pipe here, and we're just washing everything off. These water boots dried in like 2 seconds. 2 seconds, man, in the hot sun. Guys, after this, my skin was like burning, and I felt so hot. I went right home, and I showered. Listen, when I build my house, I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to have an outdoor shower because on days like this when it's super hot, I just want to go outside and bathe. And honestly, we have a stream on the property, but I didn't even want to walk all the way down just to jump into the little stream water. And there's a river right near our house too. So here it is. You guys follow me for more. Comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next Jamaica video.